Hi, if you want to set up a YouTube channel and monetize your YouTube channel, learn how to grow your channel, or if you are an existing YouTuber and you want to grow your channel, this course will be actually good for you. So this YouTube marketing masterclass I created is to help beginners, creators, entrepreneurs, business owners turn YouTube into a consistent source of traffic, leads, and revenue. Okay, whether you want to have more views, higher engagement, or real sales conversion, this course provides a step-by-step system to grow your YouTube channels. Okay, these are the modules. There are actually 6 modules in total. 6 modules, comprehensive course details. First is the introduction to YouTube marketing. What is YouTube marketing? How do you actually increase your views, engagement, subscribers? Step-by-step guide to create a YouTube account and YouTube ranking recommendations. Okay. Then we're going on to module 2, creating a high converting YouTube channel. The SEO strategies to attract more views. Okay. And then we go to module 3 on optimizing, creating your YouTube videos. How do you actually create videos? What are the tips to create a good video? Keywords SEO, thumbnail, things like that. And then we will go to module 4, YouTube comment and community management. How do you manage your comments? Okay, community. And module 5, YouTube marketing growth tricks. How do you actually boost your visibility and reach more viewers? Okay. Module 6, the YouTube monetization strategies. Okay, you can use AdSense. How do you actually qualify to use AdSense and start earning money from ads and earning commissions? You can promote products and all that. Okay. Then yeah, basically this is for you if you want to start a YouTube channel, for small businesses wanting to have more customers, content creators who want more views and subscribers, affiliate marketers, online entrepreneurs, freelancers, want to build your brand, anyone who wants to monetize the YouTube lah. Okay, no prior experience is required. It's step by step. So you will actually be given a video link. Okay, video link to view the video. Okay, once payment is being completed, and then there will be subtitles as well if you're in countries that you want to use your own language. Okay, you can click to view your subtitles, so you can watch anytime, anywhere. And if you prefer to one-to-one coaching, you can contact me for separate rates. Yeah, that's it. I just want to share with you on this course. You can sign up. Okay, thanks for watching. Goodbye.